Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change your phone number on Viber all from your iPhone. So if you have recently changed numbers or want to switch to a new one, I have got you covered. So let's get started. First of all, find the Viber app on your home screen. Now click on it. Once you are in the app, tap on the More tab at the bottom right of the screen. Now here you can see the settings patch. Now click on it. Here you can find the account section. Now simply tap on it. Now tap on to change phone number. Next tap on to continue. Now there is the option of new phone number. Simply click on it. It will ask for a confirmation. Tap on to continue. Type the number that you want to change into. After typing the number, simply click on to continue. And that's how you will change the number. And it is the last process, as I haven't tapped to the continue button because I don't want to change the phone number of Viber right now. After the continuation, the Viber will provide you with the code also, and tap the code and you will have changed your number. So that's it. This is how you change number on Viber in your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.